everyone, welcome back to story time. You hear I'm in the nature, but I took off my mask because no one's not aware of me, not next to me. So yeah, right now I have a book next to me, and it's called, you hear birds, just ignore that, as you can see in the nature. Wait, before we start, let's look at the nature. Right over there, as you can see, the beautiful ducks, swans. You can see that they're swimming, some of them flying. So yeah. So, let's get to business. Our business, not their business. So, you can see this is a book, and this is book Elephant Joe Brave Firefighter, and this is a book made by David Wojtowycz, and David Wojtowycz is the author and the illustrator of the book. So yeah, let's read. It was a sunny afternoon at summer camp. Elephant Joe and Zebra Pete were waiting to surprise Dragon. Shh! Here comes Dragon. Let's jump out. Happy birthday, surprise! Dragon was so surprised he flew up to a tree. Oh dear. Dragon was so surprised. Come down, Dragon. He was so surprised. This is the frog. See? But Dragon was stuck. My wings are tangled in the branches. Help! We must rescue Dragon. It's an emergency. Call 911. That will be hard to do without a phone. We need a truck. No, we need a fire truck. We need uniforms. Look at us. We're firefighters now. Okay, now let's see what they're gonna do. Turn on siren. Wee-oo, wee-oo. Elephant Joe, to the rescue. The frog, you can see it's happy. Look at the frog. Don't want to do anything because it's small. Quick as a flash, Elephant Joe untangled Dragon's wings. Jump on my back. Hang on, Dragon. Dragon is saved. Then it was time for cake. Happy birthday. Make a wish. I hope Dragon knows how to blow out candles. Dragon breathed fire instead. Whoops. Oh no. The cake has burst into flames. Crackle, crackle. Hold on. Fire! A real fire! Sound the alarm! Luckily, Elephant Joe and Zebra Pete were ready for action. Here we go again. Where is the fire hydrant? There are no fire hydrant in the forest. Just then, Zebra Pete had an idea. Use your trunk, Elephant Joe. I need water. Jump on my back, and I will fly you to the lake. There's the lake. Whoosh. It's burning, it's burning. Elephant Joe sucked up water with his trunk. Hurry! Elephant Joe sprout water all over the flames. Yay, the fire is out. Whee! And the cake is all messed up too. What an exciting birthday. Never mind. Let's roast these marshmallows instead.
No, son.
Let's roast these marshmallows instead. See? Okay. That's my mom just making sure that I don't get any wrongs. Thanks to my mom, though.
You're welcome, honey.
Too bad the cake was ruined. Great ideas, Zebra Pete. I like being a firefighter. What heroes. Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that book. Very funny, but yeah. So, yeah, bye.